Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make polenta pizza. It's a super simple recipe with only 3 ingredients. It takes almost no time to make, and it's great to make for lunch, for a snack, or to serve as appetizers at a party. So let's see how it's done. All you're going to need is a bag of vegan mozzarella cheese, some pizza sauce or tomato sauce, and a package of polenta. Open up that package and then start slicing it into thin little pizza bites. Next, place your polenta slices on an oiled baking sheet and then add the pizza sauce or tomato sauce. Then add your cheese. Sprinkle on as much cheese as you want. And finally, put it in the oven. You're going to want to bake this at 400 degrees for probably about 15 minutes, but really just until the cheese is nice and melty, and then pop it out and you're done. You can get super fancy by sprinkling garlic on top or oregano or anything you like on your pizza. And it's as simple as that. Thank you guys so much for watching. To find more bite-sized vegan videos, you can check them out over at vegan.com. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and click subscribe so you can stay tuned when we post new videos. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye!